Welcome students. In our last class, we can see in the topic propagation of errors in some of the ways and the difference in the ways. Now we see the topic errors in the product of two quantities. Now we take the two quantities. First one is A and second one is B. Already we know that values. Now we take Z equal A, B and we write that Z equal Z plus del Z and A value and B value. Now we can product this two term. First multiplied A with B and then A multiplied with del B and then del A multiplied with B and del A multiplied with del B. Now we get this term. This term is divided by in left hand side by Z and right hand side by AB. So left hand side what we have Z plus del Z. Z by Z cancel out, so we get the term 1 and this term is divided by del Z. So we write del Z by Z and we divided by the right hand side by AB. So this term only cancel out by AB. So we get 1. The remaining term del B by AB. So we cancel out the A and A term only and then we get the del B by B and then this term is del A divided by this is cancel out by only B. So we can get del A by A and this term nothing can be cancelled out, so we write separately del A by A and del B by B. In this term the 1 and 1 cancel out and then del A by A and del B by B is the product value is the very small value, so we neglect that. So the remaining value is del Z by Z equal del A by A plus del B by B. Fourth method is errors in the division or quotient of two quantities. Consider the quotient Z equal A divided by B. Already we know that value Z equal Z plus or minus del Z and A value is A plus or minus del A and B value is B plus or minus del B. Now we take the term A in outside. So this term that have A, this term not have the A term. So we multiply the A in numerical and denominator and we common term we take the outside the value is B. So this term that have B value but here that have no B value. So we multiply the denominator and numerator value of B. So we take the A value outside. So we write A into 1 plus or minus del A by A and then in this term we take the common term B. So the term changed into B into 1 plus or minus del B by B. Now we write the term A by B and write this term when the denominator goes to numerator place at the time the power changed into this term that have the power 1. So the power changed into power of minus 1. So we write Z plus or minus del Z equal A by B. Already we know that A by B is Z. So we write Z into 1 plus or minus del A by A and this power value minus 1 comes in this term by binomial formula. The formula is 1 plus x the whole power n equal 1 plus nx. So the minus 1 come in this term and multiplied the plus or minus. So the plus changed into minus, the minus changed into plus and now we divide the both side by z value. So z cancel out, 1 plus del z by z, and this z cancel out, so remaining term we get that, and then we multiplied that term with this term is multiplied with this term, so we get this term, and the multiplication term is very small value, so we neglect that, and the final result is 1 and 1 cancel out. The final result is del z by z equal del a by a plus del b by b.